Hello and welcome to our new listing at 8825 Elmore in Niles. It is a wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split level in a very desirable location with an open floor plan. So let's go in and do a tour. You walk into the living room and dining room. We have newer windows throughout the home. Hardwood floors in the living room, and it opens up to the dining room. There's the kitchen, which we'll get to shortly. But as you walk through the living room, you can see all the wonderful hardwood floors. Leads to the staircase, which goes up to the 3 bedrooms. So you can see, here's the hallway. And as you head down to this end of the hallway, here's the bathroom on the 2nd floor, nice and bright. And it has a full bathtub as well as a shower. Here's one of the bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms do have hardwood floors. And actually, nice sized closet space in this house. As we go down, that's kind of considered bedroom 2. This is bedroom 3. A little bit smaller than bedroom 2. Got a pocket door. Again, another big closet. And then over here is the master bedroom. It's quite large. It's the largest of the 3. Again, we have a pocket door and a whole wall of closets. And here it is, and it looks out over a very nice sized yard. And now we head back to the hallway. And we're going to head down the stairs. Head over to the kitchen where we have oak cabinets, white appliances, solid surface counters, a nice double corner sink, and when that western sun comes in, it'll be really bright in here. And then here's the nice size eat-in kitchen. As you can see, we got ceramic tile floors. And then you have the side door here, which leads out to the driveway and a big backyard, as well as a 2+ car garage. So we have tile in the family room floor. Here's the bathroom. This one's been all updated, as you can see. So we got tile in here, an updated vanity, granite countertop, under mounted sink. There's your vanity. Here's the shower, all ceramic tile. So this one's really ready to go. More storage. There's a really huge crawl space for storage there. And then over here we have the family room. Really nice size, nice and bright. Lots of windows down here. And lots of space for you or anybody else, your TV, any gaming or what have you that you want. And then there's lots more closet space. And that leads to the laundry room and the where we have updated water heater and furnace. So that's our tour of 8825 Elmore. If you'd like more information about this home or about selling a property or buying anything, we're obviously here to help you anytime, anywhere. We can do everything digitally, whether it's buying a home, or selling a home, or investing in property. We are here to help. So you can just give us a call or go online. There's our phone number and our website. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.